Got all excited because I thought this was an unmolested, all original car, just like my ex-wife. Turned out to be way more used up than it was presented to me as. So this is a customer's MGB. One owner, one family owned its entire life. Basically all original. Never been painted, never had anything done to it, except for the seats were reupholstered. Ran when it was parked in his garage a few years ago. Just been sitting, hasn't ran, it won't start. So we're gonna get in the shop here. Probably not gonna be a big deal. I'm gonna find either bad gas or bad points, and that's probably gonna be about it. So not too exciting, but it is a really neat, really clean example of one of these old MGBs. Oh, yeah, points are all burned up. So what's common to happen on cars with points ignition systems is when you're cranking them and cranking them and cranking them, or you leave the key in the on position, you just burn the points up because they're not made for that kind of use. So I'll get another set of points coming for this and it'll probably fire right off. Oh, and we've got Steve's about to blow up Hyundai up front too. Get a little footage of that clacking away. Oh, all the mouse hair everywhere. Oh, it's so lovely. I'll just pretend the guy has a cat. There you go. Just a little stuck. Oh, battery's not back here. My blue one it was. So the battery for these is under here. You're gonna need a battery for sure. Even though I know it needs points, I'm just gonna double check and verify for sure. All right, so basic test here. This is just a spark tester. Basically, it's a light bulb. If the car's got spark, it'll light up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Got a little spark, not a lot. Grab some starting fluid, spray it in the carbs and see if that could be the issue. Hey Alan, can I get your opinion on the spark? Not shabby. Well, we got a gas gauge not moving at all. Think this guy ran his car out of gas in his garage? I guess I'll check that. Well, that's a choice. I'm not sure why somebody would paint these red and blue, but okay. Maybe it makes it go faster. Exhaust right up into the floor pan. Not even welded, it's just slid in there. Good Lord. Looks like something I would have done in high school. Rear muffler sitting in the gas tank. And there is no gas in that tank.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
So first step, we're gonna get some gas in this car, see if it fires up. But I see an electric fuel pump that I'm not hearing prime either. So that could be an issue. Gonna have one of the guys get in the car, turn the key on, see if I can feel anything on that electric pump. Because these pumps are typically pretty noisy and they tick, 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 tick and talk to you. Whoa. Key on, with the pump's dead. Get some gas in it, get a fuel pump in it. Man, thought this would be quick and easy. Smells like a baby's diaper.
Woohoo! That's weird. I wonder what kind of gas he's been putting in it.
Maybe put stable in it. That would cause it to stink like that. Not a very exciting video. But this is a day for us. This is what we normally do. Like Steve's working on a ticking Hyundai. Nothing too exciting around here on a normal work day. Otherwise we'd have the camera here the whole time. But this one, this is awesome. Just wait till I start this up. So I'm not worried about blowing this engine because we're putting a new one in it. The customer drove it in this way. Like they had been driving this way for quite a while. They thought they just needed an oil change. Well, they probably did in the beginning, but not today. Oh,
Stirred up, so there is a little bit in there, but it shouldn't be that black.
Well, Hyundais, change your oil. Check your oil levels because they will just spontaneously combust. I gotta look at the fuel pump. 50 to 72 gallons per hour. All right, so I'm gonna order this Edelbrock fuel pump. That's 4 to 7 PSI or 38 gallons per hour flow rate. So it'll be just right for that little engine. It doesn't require a lot, and it'll be super easy installation because it's similar to what's already there. Seeing this just literally on here with like baling wire. It's not mounted at all. That's crazy. The shit that people do. Like, this is your fuel pump. This isn't... the fuck is this? No big deal. Zip ties, wrap the extra length around instead of just trimming it. You know, terrible. What does this even go to? Is this my fuel pump sending it? This is just mind-boggling. Who does this shit? Why? Okay. Bet my gas gauge works now. Still though, like, this is... Got all excited because I thought this was an unmolested, all-original car, just like my ex-wife. Turned out to be way more used up than it was presented to me as. Oh man, these are not for cars. These are for home. We use butt connectors on cars. Wire splices, shit. Or what are these things called? I don't know what they're called, because they're for hardware and home improvement. They're not for cars. Ooh, what's your head, you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Don't worry, if that camera just jolted, it was Nathaniel's concussion. These clamps aren't even tight hardly. Not a drop. This hose clamp is just pissing me off. Just a little bit, that's not bad. Alright, I'll just go ahead and leave this hang until my new pump gets here in a few minutes. And that way I don't have to remember which was which, I just know. But if you're wondering why I'm out here doing this on a weekday instead of one of my guys, unfortunately one of my really good friends and long-term employees, I've only fired him like 75 times. He had a stroke last week, so he's in the hospital. Hopefully he'll recover and be back soon. Not only for his health, but so I can be back in my office instead of out here. Because I prefer it in my office. You have a clock?
No, I don't. I will go back to what I was doing. Can you give this to Dave for me?
Sure. Make sure he gets that. Thank you. Appreciate it. So this new generation of workers, like obviously guys my age are retiring and aging out of this industry. Guys I've worked with, I should say. This new generation, I don't know what to do. 10 minutes late all the time, 15 minutes late coming back from lunch, like it's no big deal. Like, I just casually work on my own car on the clock. I don't think so. This kid I got working for me, he's got natural talent and I believe in him. As soon as I get this Gen Y or Gen Z poor parenting out of him and get some work ethic in him, I'm sure he'll be a good technician, but it is not easy.
Don't make these easy to get into.
We get their engines, they take the oil pans off and they leave the bolts out, and so you basically have to reseal it. So just taking it off, cleaning the old silicone off, and kind of looking inside of it.
Think there's any real reason they take the pans off?
It's really the only thing I can think of. Maybe for a transmission, I get it because they want you to put a filter in it. But as far as the engine, I haven't figured out why they would do this.
You think it scared the kid enough?
Well, he can't even drive that car. I haven't told him the worst part yet.
Inline filter goes on. Probably should have put some Teflon tape on it, but I mean, if it leaks, I can always take it back off. That's easy enough. Where am I gonna mount this guy? I wonder. I can just leave it hanging loose like the last guy did. Ooh, I got gasoline down my armpit. That feels so good. Yes, I will mount this pump. I'm just testing it right now, so don't be all uppity about it. Okay, let's just see if it comes off. Let's see if I got a pump. I don't have a butt connector or anything, it's got the wires wrapped up. I just had it for testing purposes, I just have it hanging. So mount it properly, then I'll get some gas and put in. Ooh, hello! As a kid, I used to sit and sneak out of the garage, and I made it like 5 and 6. Get on my dad's motorcycle, sniff the gas out of the tank.
Oh,
Sure, I killed more than a few brain cells back then. Hey, Steve.
Yep.
Can you feed me a little starting fluid?
Oh, yes. You shooting in this little hole here?
Yeah.
All right.
Gas cap.
Oh.
Boy, this thing needs a start. There we go. Keep me fed here, Steve.
Huh?
Gotta keep me fed. That doesn't sound good. Does not sound good at all. No, it's not much. That's like in the valve cover. I'm gonna have to pull the valve cover off. That's like in the top of the engine. Stay tuned for part 2. Steve's like, he has carburetors, I'm not fucking with it.
Yep, I'll spray stuff in it, but that's about it. As soon as I looked at it, I saw these giant circles. I was like, oh.
Well, welcome to my average work day and the way things actually go, as opposed to what they look like on TV when everything goes perfect and starts the first time. So I'll call this customer and get approval to tear into the engine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.